in the study we say. Who the say? And Maya and Rantia or Monday, or Quatch or more question, or more team or radio, or more social media, or more television, or more TV. Not a dear and young contest idea way and Yen cassette NTR, almost Tina, almost TV way, radio, radio way, a social media way, almost will be a cassette idea now, warrior now. And also Bois, Tenetene, and Rantia and Maya, if you say. Omi se no mu nyini ba nya ma bi wo kura wo mu ni wo ya me kan ebi kura wo nyini se e wo mra mu se e se ye yesa nti wo wo dwuma die kase pa tike ma enne ye magunu ni ye maya na wo mo e ba ni ma enye no mo ka se sa di we enye mo je je so ba mu se dan ha sei ne bi no se ntade bi wo no de ne bi no kura de ba sorry.
Yeah.
And you see, I'm going to Kaya, Abrasica, and open.
Yeah.
I see him to cry. Also, Abrasica, Valentine Day.
Yeah.
And your man, no more. Then I point you now, 2 young people and pay a Ranti and Maya, Panama Faso, it's Valentine Day, playing a chocolate game in your. Oh, then your master, I hear
SOMPA.
And you may be saying, or seeing a young Korea, and what did you say? Idea, and you know. Yet, the radio station be being in a can't watch them. Now, so for years so, your kaka, I didn't say we are the other yard. No one so, you and I can't enter yet me up to no edit, Yema, SE, and let's all make sure we are sushi. And your kaka, and how your kaka or margin. So, one who came among say, that you will cry. Or man can't not your cry and Shannon.
Yeah.
Not a football on the head of which me I again a ship Sadiano and by.
Well, the bishop, you better was say, but before ye Jawa Moako, cry, no. As a more propose a review of a year the procedures are a governing a year public event permits. Over to me, Ada sa propose na. More than a dino, but me bonetofa edi amayangana.
Man, was Misana see.
As some bisana na say, as a ma propose you a review of the procedures and nam kwan so be per se or ye a public event bia. E was here for sakwan so na yedima nipa kone permit. And I maybe say proposals being and as a bay mudi atuja.
You said you're hotter than I am fine to who be am I.
Okay.
Say, yeah, fans a second for say. A dream maybe, yeah, so, yeah, to say, yeah, Galam saying, or yet, say. We are called police credit.
Okay.
And now about that. So, we be want to break them on our modoso, a clan near my year. The police for one hour in the tracker. And my primary, I saw the cry, the stations of the cross, the Corpus Christi.
Yeah.
And you never win your a door, so sir. The couple is for more, my quine, my chummy cracker, no matter you need or more, but yet, Sadiana, yeah, and for Fabba Sabasibia, no beer, so Emma Mecca.
Yeah.
And why I idea that. Now, how do you know that one share at the Kodiana and Nipan or more quack, one thing in when you said this, making a chimney cracker, born in Kenya, Nigeria, away 1 year. I'm a mother, yeah, dear, a chia, Ghana, Yamra, and the Amamre.
And you told me cracker bonnet and on Modema, a year, 1 year, a year organizers of this carnival, and Momo year, your mobile.
So more between me, so Koyadi, a tia Ghana. Now, boss, Nilano so buying, na yentimi nkase tumi papa traka yetumi papa na ode ma SARFO no mo ye na drase no
yo na say galam say kuno sana mo hu no
galam ye busu ya ke kana uni te tani e ti aye won ra ni ayi no ye busu ye ne mpanimfo kasa ye ne the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources in Yemanema. Now, so no credit, no credit. Ye ni say, mpanimfo a wɔsɔ mu di anim a ɔmo ɛfɛm yɛtu galamsey asɛm ɔmo ani abere paa sɛ ɛyɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ nea ɔmo ɛyɛ enti ɛduru mmerɛ bi a yɛde yɛho sɛ nkasɛeɛ bi na ɔmo ka na mmom sɛ ɛbɛgyaa galamsey ne paa deɛ yɛhu yɛ biaa ɛdi mu a ɔmo de agu pa mu a ɛbɛtu galamsey ase enti sɛsei yɛ ɔwɔ sɛ yɛyɛ ne sɛ yɛsane kɔ nananom ne mmabunu a wɔn wɔ mantamu biara hɔ yɛ na wɔn kasakasa titiri mmabunu no na wɔn atumi asɔre gyina na wɔn ka sɛ wode nko ne hwan yɛ ma wonyɛ galamsey ɛnhyɛ nsuo a yɛnom ne yɛasase yɛ sɛ mmabunu no antumi anyɛ anyina sɛ wɔn bɛsi saa adeɛ ho kwan na wo abɛba hɔ sɛ wobɛyɛ galamsey biara na wɔbɛpam wo ama wakɔ a ne yɛka sɛ aban ntena nkran na wɔmmra sɛ de ne makura ase ɛwɔ ayi na wɔno na ɛmɛka nkyerɛ wɔn sɛ wɔn gya galamsey a ɛno nso deɛ ɛsɛ ananyɛ sɛ yɛhwehwɛ nneɛma bebree afiri aban hɔ a aban koraa wɔntumi nyɛ dɛ wɔntumi nyɛ na mmom sɛ aban no tu n'anum tuo ɛna ɔka so galamsey ɛno deɛ wo a yɛbɛhu sɛ woyɛ bia ne nipi yɛawa yɛnim sɛ galamsey tia mmara na yɛakyew
okay
na sɛ nka yɛasɛn atena ase yɛtietie nneɛma ɛno na aba no so ɛbi sɛ wɔni akokoduru a wɔde ɛyɛ
aban ni akokoduru a wɔde tu saa anamɔ no
daabi
and you see, the fight against galamsey Catholic Bishops Conference me a caption that say government is not serious about the fight against galamsey.
Kona what they corner in the manner of the group. Boy, now so we let me aye ye pa ancheresa. Ya woye de say and some cry say Louis to me a galamsey na akra and sase. Any soon idea my any day Yaman America.
Well, most reverend, you better was say the way. Sir, my home, ama when a young dinkum, Yamin shop. Oi. Now, answer a major, Umami Hail Mary back one cabemi de pow.
When kind of rough
who can we cheer and a baby day?
Yo, and your mom, Mo Mary, Adom Ayoma, Rade Noche, Washra Washra Yefuna Bie Jesus, Mary Kron, Yamini, Ompire Mayen, Nebonya Fui, Shia, and you don't share the Bibu. Amen.
Amen. Most Reverend Matthew Kwesi Jenfi, Archbishop of the Catholic Church, and of course, Onwasu, President of the Catholic Bishops Conference. Yeah, but I was say, sir, Wama Hokwama in a wedding, come on, I'm sure. Yo, Abusha for what sir Namene, Archbishop Matthew Kwesi Jenfi, one the President of the Catholic Bishops Conference, Edin Komonewe, on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Now, yabesa kwa humano so endi chep SOMPA yabepe se yede jifa gumashi ebe kasa on this naked carnival so one crying. Of course, we want to also have her perspective on this particular issue. But Misha say no medical bomb and home base and enkomodie bi bekoso medima for herbal center Dr. Huofeye, Dr. Busi. Hey, womo saya diwo enye easy. Mami kwara ma doctor akwa Doctor paternity saying.
Yanko pardon bako.
Bibia come there.
Come up.
And then a die dikan Michelle.
Mr.
Wow, utin to me am fair.
Thank you.
Medima for Herbal Center. Amam for atia Medima for Herbal Center, Medima for Herbal Center. Say come Medima for Herbal Center. Yes, Herbal Center benga.
Mamena otumfo Nyankopon se.
Sure.
Awie yi. Na menchia motiefo nyina nso. Sompa etifo.
Good.
Ye ka Medima for Herbal Center. Adwumaku a ye nam nua hamaso esayale ewo oman Ghana mu a empo Nyankopon ya aduma amano no nyina fo agiyen atum eni medima fo heba
wow enti no center sabre Ghana hafa na bebia ehita bebia
yes sa pepe
oh na mutina nkasa we
yes ye dwumadi ase wo Kumase ebu akwa agogo ho na ye share ye dwumadi ase nti ho na ye headquarters
ho na mo headquarters ewo
yeah.
Na yaka se herbal center be say herbal centers bebre ko papanaka awo ka ho se yaka se medima for herbal center yade bensa na mosa
de mitma sa wo sha ase ye mede wo si bebre akọ bebre aba ye kura ye betu bi ebi nso betu ye but ene wonte sa edin
sure
na ade ba ko mpanfo kan ya mede se o se mpanfo se ensamoni nti na ye kyeche edin nti wo bia wo ni din
sure
na mimi din ye medimafo na ade ba ko amahwe hu se se wo di dwuma edin a eda wo dwumadie no so no ema eni dwumadie no ekọ ana esefata
won sunsanso ewo dwuma na wo ye no so
se din ye bon even say edin no tada edin nkyirase ye kọ no saa na wo dwumadie ebekọ ntimi mfa din enti bebre ho a otimi kọ hospital bi okọ no oditipaye na ekọ ye ma na duro ba omla no na wode ye fun yale asan aba enye bibio ebi edin da hospital no so no edin no ema yale ekola okọ wa wo san nya yale na ya me pesa etiefo hu se ye ka edin a eya na ye fa no basa ye hutumi a ewom yie wo twa bible so na nipa so me se san edin den na obi wodin na wo sesan no afadin foforo ya dwen hu se eye die ntia Nyankopon frɛ Abraham wo se Abraham meshiraw ba meshirawo a wudin na ɛda wo so no ase ne agya wa ma no so
sure
entimi nshiraw mentimi mfa saa edin ne nshiraw gisa me ye na Abraham ansa na wiase nipakuo nyinaa ba bɛhye wo nsa Onyankopon sesa edin Abraham eye na Abraham enti edin medimafo nankasa no ayaresa wo edin mu dada
medase
edin no ayaresa ewo enti na wo hwe herbal centers ahodo de aba de atwam kwa a edin medimafo wo awo wo man Ghana mu na edin a yagye ato ho no achen se ebeche anase menim se bi kura ewiase betima kwa wiye na obi entimi
medimafo
edin ya yalesa
medimafo ti ase ampa enti afa wachire edin mu yie no ma yenhwe yade ahodo a mude hu dwuma na motimisa etu ase
okay metaka bibi se doctor trans no kasa obo yale bi no wagya yale bi a o anhwe a meye mfom so
good
enti doctor se gisa de wawuo ana yesie no se nipa no na menhia no na se wo bi nwui na yensie nipa no na ye yare ene ha no a yale efri nipadua wo tresu kosi wo na se de Nyankopon adom se de ewiase nyina ate se mene wo mienu apomuden pa na ye penti ada wo Nyankopon to ne nsa frɛ ma na no dwoada bi se doctor me pesa me di ayalesa to mi sha wonsa na se metime de to me na sha wonsa age se wo koda wuram adaduanan ebra nsuo ne aduane enka wano
sure
enti sa eno ema Nyankopon de yare nyina to bi sha mensa gidi e wawuo anade yesie no na wamfa nka ho se wonwi na yensie nko ade obeduru me dimafo Herbal Hospital wade a obenya ayalesa
this said the patch no yare bia onam bia no
yale bia etiti wo firi ni padua mu wona se kosi wutiri so se obesi me de ye eye honhom fam ni ade na utie adanse ankrofo di no wo medimafo Herbal Hospital eya metaka bibi se enka akọ baby adanse ye wo pa wo Ghana ha ya na eye Pentecost for asole dem na medima for adanse na atwam
wow
atra Pentecost asole dem because adanse enkrofo di wo medima for no eye na eye mi hu eye eto doctor metim bisa mo say asa me ko to da na but the me hu ni say ayare se frɛ wurade me kai papa bi ye frɛ no omono asamoa
matini
oba hospital ho na de si ye ni adanse ye wodi ye no sa wo fa ne nipa pa te bi am de na nka enye yi de ama mi mehu se ayare se frɛ nyankopɔn no because papa say onya kidney failure no ada comfort no che for 1.5 years
yes
ya David de na busuafo baaye no na omo de na kwakoto mo kire se wowu endi anopa omo kwakopa no korabe yie wo ho no no mu sase o keka ne
wow
ana omo kofre doctors na doctors ba mzo enya yi bi endi de ye wo condemn wo ha condemn je se obi a ne ho me ne eti na aka akara se dipa no undimi nya ne hwe ye fa no to condemn no ada condemn so 1 week abusefo cause we dey ntimi mfa no say anko word because enima nyina kire say onye nipa biem to ka say mo pede gide bia mo amo sra de ne kofie ba ye ntimi nsan so mfa no nko word biem ana abusefo sa de mo ma ye nsan fa no kofie ana mo de papa ba fie papa so da hard ne sofo na ba no waka kire de say ana waka kire woni am say mama yen fa no kotam da so na mahwe ne TV so
yeah
wose gisa de wo wuo ana de yesie no we de wo nwui yensie no enko wonimu mama yen fa no nko papa de adanse se ono ankasa ba hospital ho no wa hunu bi enti shi da ne call ransu nyina na papa no ya de no ya man nula amode ne ko fie na otwem yensan akọ bosome no na papa na ejana na so awu di adanse wo bedi ma for
wow
asem we see 2023 na de adan eye no wan say papa na ba ye scan e wo ye ho be 5 times wasan kwa ye scan wo other diagnosis centers ba bibie ni ho a akere say papa no kra wanya kidney yale da na wanya liver yale da sansem we nyina mitia e ma mi hu say ayare sano
enfri nipa
ayare safre ewurade so obi a otiefo de me be ya adwen dia because empen bebre na ye dikra nkrofo for US Canada Australia say e hokro de omutimi katam say e bia ene 25th e bia 25th May ebo awia donko a obewu me hwe kra ma hwe dipa be 50 ye na safo ni na da so tiase
wow
nanka ayare safre ni pa doctors akasia ewo US enfidia omowo nanka o ma reject ni pa nanka eduje mfiti ha nanka wa ma na nya ayare safre nyamme na dane da nyamme o hwe ni pa o ye ni kuradini o de sa tumi wei ahye nensa nipa nyankopon dom meka se mrebi my be free new edubiase ba hospital ho
yeah
oba na wa honhunu be busumi nsia my no was 73 years of age na omo wa dadem be 6 months ekwa wa honhunu a omo dine ko hospital kura this a doctor be hwe ni fie because car be a gate da bi a car efa ho no papa no onko ho dade kura omo dine ba medima fo no omo dine to van
emu no mo de ba
be a boot say no mo de fire and no mo to ideas no mo de buy mimi ko car no na mimi kokko hwe no wo car no mu na wa honhunu na me ma na duro sere wo suru to be the man na de ye me honhunu say edi be 4-5 days and me hu say me ye consult na na me nya card bi a ba ho be 4 days ya omo free new edubiase
yeah
and me catch to me say I had a bad review 2 weeks but mo card there as mo ba hanche and mo free new edubiase by nkrofo be free hɔ by and then 4 days the man be by me ka say wo nko na free hɔ by no say doctor eyeye ne ya na me say adade na asie na me nsa mai panyi ba akoka wo ho ana so doctor me na mo de me ba ye no na me say adan
wow
ana wo say doctor dia me ko ya me ko hu ye ana me pese me bedi adanse ye e ma wahwefo nyina ehu say onyame de wo ye adwuma
wow
edura wo de ma me no mente ba akokola so
wow
na me gi eduro na me kwada anadwo ye koduru fie anadwo enti me mana enti ma meduro ni bi anom omo ka sa ade akyinya anadwo na me so da ye hu say eduro na me mane bagi ye ne hye me motoam na nipa be enso kodu sei obra wo ma bre aka me mato ho a ebra so se wo ba be kumi na wo magi wo mutumi de omo nhwe mo onnom papa wo ye duro emetena se da enti wo bagi eduro na frem nsam wo dai so mu me no omo preso bia kosi SARFO de ye du ba bi na nipa de nyina atwa me ho ahia na me hu se papa bia na onka wo ho eba na wo fura kenti na asema papa ne kan se enti aduro we na muntimi nyimfru ni nsam mo pesa ye bere eye kwana ana papa no wo ba no na wo to no botom se etuo wo yi tuo pe wo to ye no doctor de bi se wo gina manim na wa so tu ababadi nyina ato agu na ni ti wo da yesu mu no na me ho atome
wow
ya ahunhuno adie ni o me ni aduro no mente eno kwa ne ya me yente ba ku sese kula nhwi bi enso me nya ayalesa
ba said ye wo kana ni nyina so gina yankasa so yengidi a ye wo
yes it's true me kaisa me ko fodia ko ye program eye mobile hospital ya me yen
okay
na me duru ho no makuo fo bi bai on be ka kire me say 31st night me ni me team me prayer tower empire ko bon say nyame fa time da so mbla ko fodia kurum ha e ho ko ho January na ampa nyakopon de waba Mami bedi adanse se wayale benfie nani oni sika ode be kumasi anakra ne de ne se ada obehu se me kasa wo TV so no no wakoso de TV se no de nipadua nyina atare TV no me kasa mie no no onya ayaresa se wotena wa be 2 weeks na ohun me na wonya ya na yale ni mu yadi ko so obesan aba be ye saade
no
na nipa bebre na de ya na ma manage ne say because I me call as a Michael so and the Pentecost conference center bi wo ho na ye kwade nipa ayadan ma na me wura ho no na nipa nyina sorry ye na obia kan say ye hu ni nko ade ye nya ayalesa
wow
ye hu ni nko ade ye nya ayalesa me baby amachini kwa Ghana nyina no kyerɛ sɛ ɔyalefo bia gidi sɛ na nipa meso a obenya ayalesa enti saa gidie no obekwa bi kasa sɛ ne manfo na ma medi mafo a ɔbanum adurowu agye na de ma mum sɛ nkwada wo mayi mu ona sɛ klabika sɛ career day bi na TikTok na enkwara bi so mbe time da so na akora ekogina badwom
me hui
na wasom mre bi a etwamu apomodi hu nsam gensamo ma osuru ye din ma asati bi
me hu sa video
onyankopon da nuane na akora yi ka asam yi akira ndipa kora onyankopon de na siwa ma o my Ghana because se embe mfakwa de yaju tumu a encha na bebrewu bankwadan ketoa wo mem na nkwara agye wutumu a eje se dwumadi awudie no eso ene enkwara bebre ho omo ma me ba hospital da no omo nko school upa ye die onko school da
dokra
nkwadan ketoa obi oso wo yare se ento obi ho a ne ma heda de ne ba eba so with the doctor ni oso ye say no ma ya na ma help oso se ya fo na ma wo ho a wo de ko hospital bia onko ekire gidi a ayarefo wo e wo doctor Edu Jemfimu
yo for anyway, mini doctor Edu Jemfi and Edim Wababe cancer ewa hande. Me ana me pese bi shout da enande nyame ebie kwan no ama ye hia. But me pacho nyame ebie kwan no ama ye hia. But ye be bisa se sia no se obi pe wechi akwan a dog ehifa ne hifa ena nipa ne be hu.
Okay. Medimafo Herbal Hospital. Kumasi yewo ebua kwa agogo. Ya usi ebua kwa police station na obisa sa wo ko Medimafo a obi ado beko.
Sure.
Enkna pokuase mayira.
Pokuase mayira.
Mayira.
Okay.
Kuron de mayira enso kuron wanyanyira.
Wanyanyira.
Kuron di de mayira. Ba wanyanye de
anyira.
Eya metaka sembi se ekuru bia Medimafo bekoso bia no me ka se me call my yera foforo na mpanyimfo himfo no ba no ho be ka kire be se eye obo nwanwa na me ba kurom ho no obi a wo wanyi bia hu se mununkum bia be kata kuro no so.
Wow.
Na me ka me se obi to ne kuro din atene Medimafo anko wonti kuro no wa antene obi su to ne kuro din enka echi Medimafo anko ho de kron
wakechi
ba obi ato mayira nyame buo no Medimafo ko ho no wanye den
wanyira
enti mayira no mia metnase ene nyame yadoma echina ya wada echina ya wada metnase e wo pokuase mayira anopa no wotwe ko no nkro na matnase na me de ta moto wa yalefo bia yale so echina edey nyame yadoma Friday Jumedia me the Friday appointment.
Okay.
Friday ni there. On say echina ya wada.
Yeah.
Enipa no dawson. Oba oje wo card. Na we the line so. Protocol bi eni ho. Eduru so ani ahwo. But Friday there ye the package bi ato say. Premium service.
All right.
And no book appointment. Na ya ma code. Ni ya ma time. Enti wo time na dey ama on there. O partner fi atabo so anu waba
no waba
o ba ye ni say 2:30 ye ne ma me mansa wa appointment 2:30 no wo na ye twen wo a ye hwe wo aha eno e de no and obi tie no pese kina oba hospital obetima free number 0244 77 4282 0244 77 4282 the opasa will book appointment na we share me Friday a premium service in the onfre 0591 202375 0591 202375 now on so front number we offer on 200 enter number no so na the oba pick no be man e bre time na wa man code ya we dey Friday me patcho Friday no obu ho aya na challenge no say
yeah
challenges I want to say obu ha ye man 2:30
oba be do 2:40
ebia ne number oye number 15 na obi nso wo number 20 ba number 20 na ababeduru ho ntem number 20 na ababeduru ho na onu 2 de onu ye man 2:30 bi atere na oba ya no pese de ye man 2:30 no de onu code no wona nse bi 19 no ompie na yenhwe no yeso ye ba obra eya de so ye ma 2:30 we say 2:30 no emo na wo se want man nuru ho wo ba trans ye be hwom wo bra na twam ye be hwew enti eya na ye mpese am da so enti e time we dey ma on ye di so edwa da bia so metnase wo kumase abua kwa agogo ene na yenya takwa branch ya takwa nso ye wo esaman kakraba ye hospital ene Esama Kakraba Community Center enyina abo e wo kwan no ho wa enti wo hwe ase say ye branches no eye miensa e wo Ghana ha enu achi no ye mobile clinics
wow
ya nyame ya adoma ye hye dwumadi a e ba so 25th May ya ye ko sunyan ye second time ye ko ho
okay
eno ye 25th May sunyan ye sunyan technical University auditorium
wow
and a yeko wow nyame ya doma ni Tuesday doma no ye Guroman Palace Hall
okay
eno doma na the Wednesday ya ba brekum eno ye Methodist Conference Center eno brekum eno no omo se ho no ye funny Trinity eno eno no yeah ho eno ye Kentampo na 29th Friday eno ye Wanchi
okay
Wanchi no se Guroman Palace Hall eno se ye Wanchi 29th Friday
that's fine
na Saturday Ukurum Tachimai Community Center
ebinim se ho
na Ghana for any aje ayalesa koso ebubuafo enante enifrafo esina panie yale bi se stroke diabetes pressure ne yale ankakane yesuro nyina aye ntete case bema waye mre wo mpem ye ka say
nyabotre bema obo adabrijo
ya waye mre wo mpem
obo adabrijo
kura eno me say se woni obi send Bearman in Vieduni and solid 10 years Bearman solid that. Na obe PM wa memenimu a wo memenimu a 24 hours said the Bearman and solia say we 1,000 make you the times 10 amano.
Dog. Challenge ben out we.
Ni friend is so oboboa.
So. And madam for here bossy coin. And just say okoho. Because said the doctor Canadian, dear what bond that bridge on the crown, no dear dog Kasa was sent a boaka. Major piece of what would hear me. So was I how on dear Uhiana say Ubetu GDA Anamon.
Yeah.
GDA Anamon.
Yeah.
Emma Bibia Yepaye. Now, dear, I am a dead pan say. I am sana was sano. And yes, ndubinana na ahana nkwa edin kese bi atechiri ase din no eye Jesus Christo.
Yes.
And I believe say din mu no eno na enya yaresa
say
din mu no eno na yenya esika free say din mu no ade papa bi a ohia bia no eho na ohia free
ene mai sisi no sadete ye
dog nyame shira
yeah obi da mankesim yale da keteso also because there is sorry comedy mafo e wo kuma so I was when me di mafo me nto kwan da also comedy mafo okwa ha obenya yaresa ase me nim ho was wo de agi wo number da esumu ne osora no pa ne mebe fa na kwakodwale no na wada people bi so omko he pe ya ni atwere number 0244 774282 ma bi so se onana any fra by 20 years in here, my man 106 years. Tell my what a demon and year fra. Obe the near fra na son tiasam. And no one known and the near na son tiasam no. Wadana nana ketu a wopper ba. Or coho or quacochiano. Or quail no catch and say I wanna open. A banner open. Omra me dimafu. I didn't know treat me dimafu. Was say, ye can't suma samoa, na woka on them was some. There be a meka, Chile, as I say, me and the credit for free me more frosty be seen there. Jumadi and made me do or my Ghana no, as soon na bura drain entias, yes, so a bean seed that. Obey me, and Pelben will be a bamanim or bamanim, because the middle be kumasi. Omo de yale na me hu bi da yale fo wo ba yale fo ne ka di anim na abusuafo so afaka ma edi akire na de hu se yale fo ne ka ne di kan be si ye no mo de beto ho a owuo na abusuafo ka ne gina ya omu sisi no ebra abusuafo ne be wure mu no e be wure mu no na man no de wo yale no wono mo bonsa ho nyame ama me to me kese first amendment na me ye consulting na mai bi obaye me otimenim se ya na me hwe na yedi obi beto ho a asa woman na wu kaja na me te ho na man no otimenim etwa ni ko he ba me se wonim na wo kamia juma medu na me daddy asa be na wo kan ma me wada ho kura wo o the doctor we nim de ye kan temate so simple na we pagya ma me ko scan ma ne fi lab ba oba na o se doctor ba me no da ho oye wonyinu wonyanipa na me enti nyame ma yes sa to me we say enkrofo wo nyina ba ye nim abagya ya sanya hoto nyame ene yale safo
amen
sa wo ye oduye fo se sadie na nyame tumi nka ho a wontumi nsa wo bia yale ewurade na dia yale sa tumi achame nipa wo mani efre wo man Ghana ebi yesi ya condemn na ehuna de wo at for size so da edom nyina ene ehu ade me kam sin shira na yewurade nyankopon wi ase nyina tumfo no se wo hu ye mobo na wanfa ye mfum so na wani ye edi ni yi se wayi na koa do time da so achaga na man se obi bia o yale a odina ni be kire me di mafo benya yale sa number na 0244
good
77
42 82
and 0500 72 15 person friend Friday oba appointment 0591 20 75 echina metna so poku ya se mayira ano pa yale so echina bebere bo ha echina obaba ho a okura poma ba onfa
poma nkofie
bebere nso ti hwimo echina no obeso anante de Ewurade enna meso aye surokufo anya yale sa wo mensam no eyem pim wo mo ni huna de anya yale sa eyem pim mitumi nka mema afunfo na mitumi de enanum 5 days bema ne bema afon say ye de wo say ye yale enanum na asase ye kese tenten
wow
ko sise wo be za fa size we there
na dog that say baby anam na me size no me pesa me size no bi me kan eno so me ba say me safo Patrick ye ba say ye size no bi betimi aye
eduro no wo ko sise wo benya size ya wo pe
oh sa
and the one that fa the size we there we na be ni ki ho a eno ano no
oh okay and then the boy say what hanu there oh sorry am ye di wechi because me say Benjamin sorry but senior there say on the time oh no no so tafena no back on there oh there what tafena no back oh dog
ma me fa we nka to na the tab na so
dog you can what can a man there but was a man nankasa what problems
ena nka me di ema awo esemba betwa to
ebia himfie niema nhye damfa
eno mu ye ntete ya case because yale beblo ho yale no ya chichem ye won ntete ya case ene ye wo katwaniti case
ntete ya case ene wo katwaniti case wo difference e wo ye denga
katwaniti case bi ti say obi say o was ye kokotu ya ne to
ye
na okoye surgery kokotu ya to mimit na SOMPA FM me no to ntia wa kra ase obi akokotu an to na wo hwe o mehu mechina e wo medima for hospital penso o mbuku appointment
okay
edro na mede ma wo no wo num bia nwumere ya wo kwa akoda na wo di bi aka ba bi akoko no e wo no na wada embanfo wo bebi ese kato wodete wo katate ye hu die wo si ma hu hwe se wo katate na koko nda so tu ya ho a enum aduro ne biem
time da so
fe ya ho aduro na feliu enum biem fabula na beji usika
wow
ye num no nanso ye num no nanan o num wa inspire na dwo a wo kwa akoda no won kate wani ntie no na koko nsi adaso tua na wo don sa ka won amba koko no aduro no afelu anya adwuma oba wo peba me ma wo duro na me wo no enye numbi wi bitua bi sabi di bitafre bi na denga bi koye nkrakra fa bi shedudo da bi
na denga
eti say one thought say nim one thought
yeah thoughts one abulo car no
thought no ti say
yeah
aduro do nyina saa na tie wo kwa akoda anadwo a me wota mo mesewa obenom ye num na anadwo dumi no wonum wie a na ne wukuna hia
wow
ebra wanum aduro no sa wonu kunu hia bra wanum aduro no wie a mun hia biem wonum aduro na na mahia
okay
mu hia abosome na eno ano no ba abosome nso se firi so efiri fam efiri asase mfimfin na nyinsan aba nyinsan bawie ansana aseda e wo ho no wodi aba
dog ye brena e be ye ko na nka mpese me show you kra obefa ho ka na de biara dan for the first 10 minutes no
yes
na me no wakasa ansana mato show no so na wo de futuo e de amambebuno ye lifestyle ene ne mebi mo sa me fisa nka beboa pa
because me be na lady bi bisa masem bi nanka asem hia se me yi na no bible ni sa wo so wanyim 26 years wanya diabetes ya na osu na me ka mo susu a what you say se edenti na wanyim ni wanya diabetes akora ketoa ye wo ema bebere comprehensive wanyim ya na wanya diabetes ya na onyim ye ni oni
bi
ba wanyim wi a na wanya diabetes eno no ade a me braso aha but you what mama say mama ensa aka ho de a
yeah mama mo say mama ensa na farapo
mama ni can say diabetes diabetes is a disease caused by excess glucose in the bloodstream
sure
or disorder of metabolism of sugar or glucose and diabetes. You have 3 main diabetes. Diabetes insipidus, diabetes mellitus, and gestational diabetes. Gestational diabetes diabetes no there. Just oba nyim na wonya. Enti sa diabetes no. And can you be as a painful and a canon. Also make I say what 3 main diabetes.
Sure.
Idea you will maybe others. But others no you say Africans are blacks, but you would mean Africans or mean black.
Yeah.
By main, no, because so you have hypoglycemic, so sugar and alcohol, and you find hypoglycemic. And no, because but me no me fan count, but me first you have 3 main diabetes.
Okay, that's fine.
And then oba nyim onya diabetes. Your organs, any hormones be bro ho. Oba nyim ya ema just aba. Emuda ho. So oba na nyim ya sa organ eni ho
hormone
sa hormone so ni ho yes oba na nyim sa
na aba
you one organ e from the placenta and I tell you say awu akirade placenta is a vital temporal organ developed during the pregnancy
okay
in the uterus connecting to the fetus
sure
via umbilical cord to provide oxygen and the nutrients. That's the placenta.
That's right.
You say I want to cheer there. And oba nyuma na eba. And eba so pra akra no enuane mfama.
Sure.
Placenta no produce one hormone, a friend human chronic gonadotropin hormone.
Yes.
That's gonadotropin hormone. Ni jumadi e say a subterranean pregnancy no ono corona sanso fight or interfere the activity of the insulin human chronic gonadotropin hormone na ebe nyinsa na gina no eno asan kutia
insulin no ehon edi diabetes Matias but enti na make catch say futu we ni sa nimdie we nyina no eyade a ye hia e wo dwumadie so enti no any ye marketing for for first 10-15 minutes here na ye de amount me da se pass over nya me nhira na on nhira wo dwuma
ma me fan number no todwa
okay fan
0244
okay
774282 and 0500727215. Booking appointment number 0591202375. Me da munyina obias.
Yes, you da se pass or buy. Buy at Abraha.
Meta papa.
Buy
Wednesday ya na meta free.
Sir. Anti at Abraha. Why? Nyame shra pass or buy. Time da so me the man for Herbal Clinic and ebusia. Ye turn and kind of mama yenda en humra sisia. Na ye ba will be getting into the Vex Manifest right here of course, on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. We are right back after this break.
Ebra, me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bag.
Bra, aden. Ena nso biem.
Hey, time heba me hya ya me ka se yi ba kwin. Ani wayi me ensen.
Bra, sanya time heba me hya esia gyimi ni me fiefo enya de abako ebeso yen.
We de udi se ofa ni nyina.
Time heba me hya me ka se me di one dance ya heaven ena de mekwa akopie. Enti se malaria we draw ne time heba me hya.
Enye enunku o, de nanum ato a wontimi anidie no. Time heba me hya duro no ena ye ma wo. Oba a wafa afuro de o ma akwada nofo. Ene akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi. Se obeto aduro yi bi anoma, hwe se wakọ hospital anase lab am ye hu se wo atudie malaria yi bi ansa. Se o petam heba me hya enu dudu atu a, fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House. Ana ba ko so wo atonsu Monaco Junction.
Eno echi ubenya bi atowo over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop dodo na emu.
Fre 0244 417669.
Kayo, set time no TIME. Time heba mixture. Afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo munu betu akọ.
FDA agi adwade nkratoa yi atu.
Endpoint homeopathy clinic. Ghana had obi enim sesa ye prostate. Na baby omutibi ye screening ema hu ni ye etu ase a. Na eye endpoint homeopathy clinic. Anase eye kidney, eye liver problem. Wo fa baby ena adwodwo. Na de fa ne premature ejaculation no a. Ba ma bi a wo ne wodofo akwakwahia. Asa wo di ne ho agro. Asa wo tonte. Ene ye bra endpoint homeopathy clinic na ye moa wo. Ema ne mema mo pa wo. Eye endpoint homeopathy clinic. Wo mo da mufua. Yare bia infections bi ne wo ho. Anase bia wo hwa wo fa baby na adwodwo. Kidney problem, prostate de. Eye endpoint homeopathy clinic. Kuma se ubehu endpoint homeopathy clinic. Ewo konoma boy here. Ena Accra hanso so de. Wo mo gina mu ankasa. Ewo Spintex baby friend share signboard no. Wudru na ubusasa wo pe endpoint homeopathy clinic. Obi a ebe kire wo. For endpoint ewo 0244 867068 and 0274234321. Endpoint homeopathy clinic. Wo mo demufua.
Hedebo how krenia ebo wa hweme wolwi busumi bia na nsu afro na hu nyina awrewre we ka ho a busumi mienu amepenti me hu ni amenye me ho kra biom ebo
kofi pa na se wuntimi mfa painting kunti anzi o hwe ohaw no ewo dan mu ankasa o
nti we dey man den edan pose me wi o
simple kra Gasem super strong waterproof cement omo cement for fra wa ye no abefo kwan so a ebo edan ho ban free nsu ho
isu ho ban bo eni se we dey repair sen kwan
o da bi ominia eno ne ma ne dance no hwe ubetumi dia sowosi ansu ano nom no ma wo penti kra na e wawai ano ana ubetumi nsu die sidan
sa
ubetumi dia ye foundation block work plastering chese cement ba ko a utumi di sidan na samma banbo mapano no
wow
Gasem super strong waterproof cement ba ko ye di sidan na sambo ho ban sinu ye preko
Gasem, the nation builder.
Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo Herbal Clinic aba Accra. And you want here, passengers a gumi kaimu. A hana do one aircraft. Hey, and this Accra and put me at the moon. And yet the Muampa. The said here, a Duchem Atlantic International University, America Memo, about Dr. Dujanfi Babasu, honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine. It is said here, I am more. Oh, Mr. Minim wife, your copa war. 1 year, 1 city. Need send me 2 months and 8 years canon. Me connection na encheda nkoye na esakakra ti say wa page mu ama hodiam bam connection ne mu de wai wa wo de ba de kra wa ba do kra ya ka stroke nso de wa fa no small chese agidi wa wuo ne de asie no yare bia etatia e wa Dr. Tamda so andi so diabetes hepatitis B prostate hypertension malaria yare bia kuma say
omo agogo opposite government school no
na nkra hanso obepiem e wo pokuase ampa ba meboshen tanoso breman ampa ba meboshen Tanoso, Breman, and a manfroom. Numbers of man for the fray 0244 3 meter. Hey, a quabas in primono.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwambo.
Onyankopon di fa wastra no eweye brem enam ne nsaso ama Onyankopon we ya honwade pi
through this prophetic platform destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
we ne butai teacher asompa first service ewo homayen enye TV program keke ayebis ewo homayen enye TV program keke ayebra osoro ne asasi hia ayebro nyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
SOMPA first service entwa wo hu hoda ayadwada kusi efiada anopa
no num kusi anopa no nsie fa woda no nyina share adensa na erade beye
Emra, me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bag
bra aden ena so biem
time heba me hye ya me ka se yi ba kwin ani wayi me ensen
bra sanya time heba me hya esia gyimi ni me fiefo enya de abaako ebeso yen we de udi se ofa ni nyina time heba me hya me ka se me di one dance ya heaven ena de mekwa akopie enti se malaria we draw ne time heba me hya
enye enunku de nanum ato a wontimi anidie no time heba me hya duro no ena ye ma wo oba a wafa afuro de ma akwada nofo ene akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi se obeto aduro yi bi anoma hwe se wakọ hospital anase lab ameye hu se wo atridie malaria yi bi ansa se opetam heba misha enu dudu atu a fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House ana ba akoso wo atonsu Monaco Junction
eno echi obenya bi atowo over the counter medicine sellers ene herbal shop dodo na emu
pre 0244 417669
Kayo, set time no time heba mixture afi malaria fever bia dani ziba ewo munu betu ako
FDA aji ejodi nkratu yi atu
Atia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese wede na kese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi echa nani a Hajia special local foods ewo hacho atomic kwano so hono de entie fe ni local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes wa pro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se eya abontine aduane edi enye ni bisa dabi Hajia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eye ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tenase no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra Hajia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hajia special local food pese wo fra eye 024 63599921 024 63599921 anasa 059 479 7215 eye 059 479 7215 na wodem
Abusafo yabako so amama kwa baba SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country 18 minutes after 4 maminda a time herbal mixture say 21st clinic sasona made that endpoint homeopathic clinic ase na mada RSYD no vigi studio so ase so o maso asera ere for God and country jumadi no yede bro Benjamin Asari is seated. He speaks for the New Patriotic Party. Emmanuel a lecturer Emmanuel Dako a lecturer UPSC or Atrase Sasona Sami Batu also Ekasama NDC Amanyokudo Omunyina Atrase Mamunyina Kwaba
so prof
a be based in we do change be
DDS ni be
but that's into what did you because one of the no so yeah sure Benjamin that is saying baby aboko there
oh bad there
good
yeah aboko
okay
so ho
oh adom papa bi adom
me te on kan na check na say na chese
na say na den
o say
na say na den
na me hu won ayententan no so a oji odin
oh na be no dey
adwuma no de o bodwuma ama for say prof bodwuma
any den
ye yankasa nso ye de ani to fam ne hu say prof nso bodwuma I think say you are the best
me that say
on microphone no more ye adwuma
sure ya kenyina you may see it ase imade I don't know I said this time I don't know like not Bibia communication. Imana school enkwala no.
Say ya na asudie da no so.
Say obehwe enkwala ni.
No so kan ho.
Na university
Professor we say this for you say asudi bi da yendo.
Acha we ya better this ni.
O there be. But say you can dey support say asudi da ya so ne.
But I fresh power.
Prof Lucian. Who say matai no atai ne kala ne say.
There be when say.
Ba say me dey na free di kakra.
Wo dey na dark brown.
Me dey na free di kakra. Patrick starting the same thing. But there's
but obetimi awo so no for.
O dey no ye. Me
I don't know me dey beat you after this.
Prof come mark as mo.
Na school what you say?
Nya me ado bibia.
E dey yesu ase, that's it. But you hu na ache.
We say mfo ne dɔɔso. Na onim say wini bam say wo e bi wa ye.
Pam. Me refi. Facha me. Yeah, I feel no matter what. Yeah. Wini ba de ne de free but obi phone no ma me feedback bi. Ima de na. Ma me na wase. Samuel Batu.
Ravin.
Hey,
Prof Pacho, what address you? Disciples Samuel Batu.
Oh, there be Sir, the senior most disciple of Ayese Dunketia. And what can I say? 12 disciples. So now no ba Hamibizan say. Say no disciples of a Sedun Ketia. And there are disciples there. Ubi be you biama. Why ne be
Why did Judas?
Me maneya where.
But that's a more bemu, but that's a wunia bem. I think
like how many tears.
Debut, so be one bemu. What you say yes with your bemu. Say ben any bemu, the ultimate who clear.
Minia bem.
But one. Who are bemu, but that's a wunia bemu. Be answer.
I said, me kesi na say.
I said, Eddie no. Unya bindiana.
Oh, me okay.
You okay?
You okay? Is it one?
Debbie, she you.
Debbie, the way I will patch no. Say me kesi na say na me.
Debbie me. It's a who are bemu. Ebeba.
Ebi de ebeba no pa, ebi de bebe nyum.
We end this
The me de ebeba. But you see one thing I mean mostly I me can hear say. When it comes to politics, all political arena no more.
Yeah.
I also what they are the all political arena now why you here also me room na ebebia ma me. Sambia ma that's why you get a broken heart. And as a whole political arena now, don't go in empty-handed. Say me kwako didi wa politics on. Was so nya obi there. Sorry, we nya obi there. Yeah. It said the benefit from the political space, no. And my empokra you are surviving.
Okay, that's fine.
But so we are why so me kono yenya ba power na need to be sorted out. The friends in opposition is not the friends in power. That is politics. Inti say urem no I me side me
the friends in opposition is not a friends.
It's not a friends in politics.
Because as some now what can I say around me namfophobia na omo ye namfofo pa omo na NDC for in opposition no omo didi bom ye bibia bom but mienu anya appointment na one more anya appointment say no omo nya appointment omo fa omo nya hwe
exactly so it is only few na obe say ono no in opposition no omo bonkosi atafre ye ba ba mu no obi ya sort back out then he still make sure say ne brother ne ye dey okay majority now will neglect you in politics there enti na me dey ahye me trimu deda enti my training my adwen say me rem at the end of the day ye ba power say ye nyan sort me out mpokura na I should make sure say me make sure say me dwuma na me ye no me bomu gumbi ahwa na medidi ba wa anya na sa na we ye wa adwen so o ba ye wo say be mo me ma wa you get broken heart enti anything no be hu say majority of grassroots no be brain nice so and my and a job yes
ba oni mi shara na bisa question we o didi ba don person ma hu say o didi ma hwe ni o dey FSC na ma me bisa Benjamin say no story ben na ma montenga politically a u fi say eye catchy a kanipa akoma e wo Ghana asese me bisa
say ya nkasa de edika ma menche ausonko
the watch added that
o de ma men sancha me nchia de eye o me chia kra na ofania
ofa ben producer
current affairs minister. No, it is our buy some special greetings to Mr. Bright. You know, me chairman, so I'm no more sure, but Minuya Same.
Yeah.
Nasem na waka no.
Yeah.
Ahye no ho den. Saa na ese politicians nyina no. Etimi ehyehyehye ye ho den because so far as say you hu sin no say wo ye adwuma no. Eno nkyere say aban ne ba ya no ubenya ho mfaso. Ye wo nkrofo bi a omo start ya ansa na wo ye ba be hu. Nti saa time no omo no mre ni ntwamu a wonya de a wo mre na ebeba. Nti minua no nti no waye fast. A wetimi akowura disciples of Esiedu Nketia. Esiedu Nketia ye mistake obetimi age na ye free nsem. Disciples no ne dia. Omo na akwa register. And omo de support ye Esiedu Nketia. Nti eye nice move and why no. Nti ene no obi obebo Esiedu Nketia bia no ebebo disciples account.
Sure.
Na abo disciples no so ahwan na di disciples no ba obebo sam battery account. Nti no nemre na bedu kakra ba prof so hwe sinum na hwe arena num na hwe political front na eme kwa ade etete Ghana for sisi pa na dumso na
na debut that dumso na da so
prof ho no ma so ba ma
oh debut I don't remember the last time I do me a light
nti o ma so transformer na ma
yeah ho no de min ka the last time I do me a light
any ade omo ya na omo sheda na
ade ho no ehifa na out
mete me ma exact way no because of a
I ba meti ase
but mete
area
ben obefa tantra golden door area mu de kojonte asofan amomole so tuom me ne mambo enebo ehye e de wura mu ade ba nominava ho nom no
o se den
nominava
lomnava dominava
nomnava
domiabra
okay
I know your friend domiabra
okay
lomnava
ho ni nyina no mpacho na ya check mame because enra nopa omudum light no omoso na around by 11 anajo anopai omudum no omoso no 11 anopa omudum no be 5:30 me den kwala no ko school by no omo asa edum no mi fifie akọ program na omo aso enti ena minim say by this time minim say meko fie no
and area mo de problem ben e ho
sa yi enu so free ho no mo a me ma ba ko aka ho e ho nso problem chantan o de ko airport chantan airport o nya airport ankasa original airport chantan e wo airport ho chantan market na chi ko airport ni nyina no e ade e ho no so omo wo light off because e ho madwuma ho enti no light wo ho amihu light enti no a e ha dwen pa enti e ade a e kosu sesi a e ha dwen na se wuyi anu nso firi ho no mo a e Bank of Ghana car wo de aba beto o man yi su sesi a ayese ye play gymnastics way bi se Bank of Ghana say wenya profit ebi nso se wa boka ebi so wenya odwen ho a ade a ye simple thing no omo aya the politics ewram ama yakwa hu se eka na Bank of Ghana kra abo no kra enye no kre Bank of Ghana nso aboka wo ye den a abochi layman yenye economics right as say every year bia no Bank of Ghana edi dwuma de bo man no o make sure say inflation agina yie o make sure say seed no nso agina yie o make sure say nyuma abo man no amanfo nso anya adwuma ye loan ho nsem so agina yie ni nyina mu na edeka edisika nenam o ka ni nyina abom ayese dwuma die na odi ye no oboka ana onya mfaso because from 1972 Ghana Bank of Ghana anytime bia ye wo negative yenya profit da nti wo negative na wo be ba beto no eno ne ye behwe say this year no wo ba ye no dwumadie na wodi ye no negative no wodi bia be kan ho anaso watimi ate so nti say abra yewura John Dramani Mahama NDC for ba 2024 na Bank of Ghana e car na wode e wo honom every year na 2024 no eye 58 billion na Bank of Ghana edeka eye 2024 me ne wo ka say wodi ni dwuma nyina wie ye 2025 no Bank of Ghana sa de ka ni bia
o say caben na bank your friend is saying one more boy
every year bia Bank of Ghana edi ni dwuma wie a Oyene audit audit bibia.
Audit your financial statement for the year.
Yes, Oria or the Bakwa Koma finance minister. No de wa no to so. From there no na parliament. Into a parliament ya sa financial year no ye hwe ni nyuma odi ye se ekaba ya na se mfaso ba ye. Into so wo 2024 a car Bank of Ghana NK ya na ye 58 billion. So over 58 billion year 2024 now. And no car now or mine the Bank of Ghana ede. So we free 2024 now about 2025 yeah. Abeye de amount for Mr. Expert no can someone yanti ya hwase na. Say can move from 58 billion akwa 93 billion. But you check your sanity.
You are talking about the negative equity.
The negative no na make am once because Bank of Ghana no dia ye hwe ho kese pa ye ne negative
but uni Ben one say common aid na no ye educate am.
Yeah, sure.
But you know say Bank of Ghana ne nyuma e was so obedie no onton bibia a car Bank of Ghana bebo no yede toto niema esi ewo economy no ho a can we say a Canada Bank of Ghana a boy you know are justified na yenhwe inflation baby ababedu yenhwe lending rate ukobobusia ewo banka nsi ho a yede be ma no baby ababedu yenhwe policy rate. Say a commercial bank be ekobobusia every Bank of Ghana yenhwe enoso na yenhwe exchange rate obi beka say e kana eye aban Bank of Ghana abono ese fata se obosa kara
you first of all no Bank of Ghana ni aban no ma yenyin omunyi ntumu kura se omo aboka omo kana omo abono omo say ye 15 billion a car omo abo.
You find say roughly 16 billion.
16. Sa no omo no peso omo kire say car omo abo. Eno no omo kire mu me hu say sa car na omo boy no. Omo reduce inflation from 23% at the abasing digit. You find 4% and now 3%. Omo making sure say seed no I stable. Omo akeka ni nyina bom na prof Bank of Ghana abrebie ni wono mo a woni dwuma mo o man na de kabawo. Abrebia dwuma bi obedi bia no e de kaba enti saka na wadi na e de aba no eno na ese wo ma ye hu se dwuma die na medi ye nyina na e ka sei na de aba ni akwa ye board of contention da hanum se si ane se wo so waboka eye 16 billion
yeah
ena group bi nso se no e ka na wabo no eye 35 billion 34 to 35 billion ena wo se enye nokore and equity now wo kan wansem no se Bank of Ghana ye ni bibia wi baby a kire se waboka no mpacho so present kan report no and no na 2024 no dwumadi a odi ye nyina no na ne ka no waboda ho no eye 58 billion and now upon so about 2025 and 2026 say wa step
we for 2025
2024 58 billion can year 2024
and you can't year 2025 there.
And now 2025 no e ka na wo honom no e 93 billion.
And 93 billion no e cumulative.
No omo di bia ba be ka ho amana
that is why we say it is cumulative.
Yes, and it say me file report to no say
and no ye ma me pacho nyabotre. And no ye the negative cumulative equity. The cumulative negative equity. And one some and I can say I could do 96.3 billion.
And one some na da Ghana hanom a ye di ho nkomo yi. Besa from Monday be pemne. Sa negative equity no one some a wo kan. And one ho nkomo ni ye di because entiasie nyamba mu say ye ka no move from 58 billion akwa 93 billion. Entiasie nyamba mu.
Okay, there is form.
And the problem. Enti say yenya expert no omo ba na say omo ba be chechem na omo so de no omo ntimi an chechem mu ama Ghana fo antiasie yie. Na still awu say political connotations bi wo mu a eno no ye ni sa expertise na eba finance economy na ye ba bia ye gina na ye hu ba bia ye gina because eba ne ye den say NDC for ka NDC MPP for ka omo betimi abegyina ama pepepe ya ye adwuma no omo nso ba na omo twiste ne ma no ne ehu the way sit here because one of me two ahene ya me expert back friend two ahene
Dr. Richmond etu ahene
yes me no wa unua obi ni show
make ramene ni din komo
yes oni ni din komo
sure
omo ayete ase say 93 billion na ye 34 billion different from 58 35 no untime enka ne sa say ya boka kodru 93 billion because ansa na obehwe ne sa no say wo different way how de be calculation na unless say KPMG for no omo calculations na omo ye no omo account na omo ye no say won ti ase a wo de no wo explanation na wo just what the court only court and betimi ama omo de omo mod acquire omo fa so e de eye omo account no omo de aba na wo wahwe so de just suppose wo de na am ye hu say wo de na wo kan e no kore anase KPMG for no so ye no
mama now say mama nka we busua say time herbal mixture na wi eso ya sene pa for God and country sunie na ye ka time herbal mixture we no mato a wontimi ndidi ana honam nyina na ye wo ya kai say we do an time herbal mixture fever basa no ye time herbal mixture when you tidi yade ye time herbal mixture join this yade typhoid yade time herbal mixture na mama san ka bio say edro we no obetimi atobi esi ho na wo de abon ho ban wonu mu a enya de afiba bia ebe kire wo na time HH mixture and the capsules de mema ne madro esiesi ahemfie bia say de be okọ ho a weni ebeje eno we upe bia to a bomodin na for we kire drugstore pharmacy shop bia ben bia no obenya time HH mixture time HH capsules and a time HH mixture time herbal mixture na makacho say a time HH mixture and then the capsules and the dear and the moonsa ya dear ekutia kese pa fre Dr. Otafrija was 02444176669 02444176669 time herbal mixture. Whoa, you better was say was so asking a year draw a year pabini. So I'm about to let me take a listen to you on this.
Okay. Rapping in Edika, my main far Quenya was not Minchia Tifo. Minchia for na Minchia a Mebra Ben. So I'll be call for contest. Minimum town by Twaban.
Then go for contest. Then go for contest. Oh, preding.
Consensus organizer.
Now we are then.
I'm a youth organizer.
Now you're youth organizer. And they say no constituency organizer. Oh, what they wish for? Also, a friend is Probo constituency.
Obediaba.
Sir. Obediaba. I'm missing you to woman away. Mrs. Serka. That's all. I brought in the Obediaba. Or a fine boy.
Cash.
I think I may hear the agenda here.
I will be dear, but I mean, chair me brapping you say lecture. I think say or born home the year, papa, because me mostly no na a juma ba kwa me to me yes a because me ni akuma I'm the better and kwala there because
ujiri say akuma
o debi
ujiri say akuma
obiane ni obetimi aya
debi ujiri say
yakuma
and anya temptation
I also nya patience but you see adebako me bana me kan adebako online but chire ma adwem pam that has to do with your friend saying BC for na mo chro omo exams no me so much nkwala mienu bi omo ye twins
nkwala omo ye 9
yes
but mienu ye twins
but you see adebako a we have gotten to a point
omo exchange ebi mo exchange question papers and ebi so exchange answer sheets.
We have gotten to a point whereby I was here tenase na ye review nyoma bi na nkwaya so see ya na ye na fi 19 when be see so it should be a norm. Imagine say nkwala no esua there from form 1 to form 3 mo set exams no more the 5 days natural 10 papers ye call university no ye show how many courses everyone pokra 6 no how long do we use it to write the exams?
I'm saying time no eboboso do
no pokra no university mpokra ne ya kire semester no eno na ede ba ye mfa the last semester mfa ma nti adenti na ye education system no ye ntimi review ni yes okay fine said days in the best space in mpokra na nka be bia 10 days a omo the 2 weeks paper na dey bia wana na ye dey from hosina lecture bako e kasa sam University of Ghana na hu o TikTok abi so saa na ye chiro na nti na grade ye say and yes saa na ye so that is how we should continue nti e be den na motivating kwala ne say onko copy and onko swap obi won pokra bia wa chura no pa no e wo si bi okofie ansan na wasan ba the stress is too much metro paper be online your friend is saying that will be in August a certified cyber security course and pokra my book is a metro on the 18th of August for any reason let me feel say on the 18th of August no mean try messa date no to data me pe into your education system they be so e was see a restructure add na yen this particular side
especially the BC time no ebo bosso
time no sa
5 days
for 10 papers
for 10 papers stressing kola no dodo
bakwa no pa bakwa enwumre too much nti I think say it's about time as scholars no omo be kasa asem we na do bedroom na Ministry of Education na other stakeholders so they should take into consideration because ye man kwala ne pressure ne too much na membra asem no so that has to do with or say dum so wo no area na obeko fie bia no kwade sum ne ade
yeah
you see let's be frank say ade no ade a e was so continuously I affect yen e was here kamati mamufo no hu say AC I am not saying say eya omun doom light e was certain areas but the question is ye doom light now how long does it take and even say ye doom light now justified na and now let me ofie na ECG app no they keep on sending me messages say on be maintenance e was certain areas gone are the days now ebi omo the speaker be see your friend is saying
radio announcement na niam sa niam
se wo ECG app na you realize that anytime be on be here any schedule bia no omo send no notification
ba nye nyina so na
metiase se enye ebi enye obia na obeden oni mark nkan na bibisa eno so wo ho but even proud to sa ye bet se transformers ne na asefo no minister na di kan bo ho deuro ena atoye nchen so be si ena man for the gym say bu dun so aba but let's be frank, let's be sincere. Transformers no other places almost so many places. Enti yenya bodre so ye gang so this particular government no ye di dun so aba. In any case e den e dum so light would do na wo so a e dum so. No, that is the definition of dum so. Unless of course you were a very hectic energy crisis ubeko krom no na generator no ya switch so fiti anopa kwesi enwumre oman na yebu no yebu ne say at the end of the day no bia ho beton yen politics ne to say gone are the days whereby all can say man like traditional media okay now so there's no social media obi akọ verify ba minim say MPP for there akwesa akụkọ search akoma enye ne fe se bibia akoyie mpokura obeka so hwe nkoyie because me say omo communication director Miracle Boaje also Said dollar mpokra be 1 cedi mpokra na fu be 4 cedi mpokra na on be win 2028 ana me sesa esi timamfo na omo ho now the Gen Z's no the internet is there for them to see. And I like the fact say we share some of the ministers obi to say yeah road minister Honorable Agboja. He's doing a fantastic job. Bank at first in the brand share obinsan or to office. On call grounds and go here say ejuma no e kosen. Me ya sure say anything na bia reshaft na say aye the ama old boy no. Because o majority of ministers now obi abon ho modern. Until when na wo kwa yin na ho de ho abehye ho. Man ka so mu nyina. Me si ebi mu bo mo ho modern. O hwe obi ti say road minister, ne transport minister, ne honorable Mita Kando. And few others are on. Say they are going on ground to see what is really going.
Now, one more ministers be no
more. Question here will be semi.
There be
who set me trap.
There be any trap na me set.
Why you post na?
There be what can positive.
Negative men can
also can. So unim se untimi nka
negative men can
because menim se uka positive.
Men can negative.
They say ebi mo. Se uka positive. Na ubeka negative na yakawa ya ne boma na be neutral
after show we mbeka news na ma kat me media no NDC communication Samuel Bat to say
a disciple of a seed
say
but some judge ejuma oye no weni je
oh obo ejuma
weni je
oye na afamu de in a sense
ba weni je
o meni je ho
and what is some judge what the some judge dey to eyi ho a government Agboja say na ho no.
Oh, na say different sectors.
There be a different sectors, but they are all ministers.
They are all ministers.
And omo mienu no.
Omo nyina ye adwuma.
Baba ko ye adwuma so ba.
And dem ntimi nkyere.
Ba nye one na ate ase bi mu ye adwuma
kyere. Me say ebi mu ye adwuma.
Unya bema.
Me ya bema na me ya den. There be o so ma hwe. But you see issue ni say I think say
ye na si form no.
To me near transport minister or for instance road minister many je ho pa because to say contractor ya dream say this time around no yemwa local contractors no ye the mobilization fund dem amount nti e dey mbium sisi anso ye kofa Chinese one na the contract mo ma ye beka so na ya sideline local contractors no nti si empower local contractors na ye pa omo che omunye adwuma no nti eba na sana other government say sample kwana government ba eba mo sa appetite no so yen she local your friend saying indigenous companies no yen she omukina ba ye kwena wonya kwena at the end of the day abofra kitikiti kita 2 megabyte no they are your man penny just like that. I think say to me no yen omunya isade untimi ya me
na wa say na mamenka o say endpoint homeopathic clinic aye clinic so no nko a ewo Ghana ha na uko Ghana fanan be bia obehu endpoint homeopathic clinic me ba cho ba wo pese wo fefru bema wo junso a wo ye friend sen junso yiya bema bi o wa oni obedi hyemu a pa yira say ya wa hrawa say we brebrum ana wonim obi a wonya njuju ye stroke a stroke yade no wo pese onya ajade santamu ana say wa kampam wo fia me patcho bomodin na friend number we 0244 867068 0244 867068 02742 34321 endpoint homeopathic clinic or say the end to chronic diseases. Ima mamitio so nam krum dey na wate.
Oh prof. Yeah, ya tetene dey door so but the menua batu kan me tia na machia menua panyi Samuel Asare. Education dey no ho. what I say, oh, can I say, oh, come from Nim Diamonenti as one here no was so can it be? You see, Obi, I would say maybe a prof, okay, I recommend ko YouTube. There is a lecture by one renowned scholar, a friend of Noam Chomsky. The title of the lecture is Education for Who and for What. So what is our lecture we are? Obeti your system of education as education for who and for what.
Okay, that's fine.
Prof, what they say GSC wa hoping. Why you juma hoping? Can not pa so said ye wo GSC sa na e kire nkura de sa na yesua de. Theories na yesua about how best children learn. Any ye no class or no. Prof, wada ma sa na tie ekọ hani hana na say ebra.
Go with him.
O prof you man see, I think these are the issues I was say, and I know you do it a lot. Any this is what we should dedicate time to say. Ghana ye engineer gold so engineer oil so. Now JF Kennedy, former president of USA when any baby or say our progress as a nation can be no swifter than our progress in education. Se nipa eti kromo no ya tete omu yie ama omasua de yie ama omu nimde a ene na beboa ama ye mpunto no akwanim. And I think say one of the systems are Ghana ubetimi don say si work say enye system education. If you want to be very critical, we don't have a system of education. Frefre kobo ye bi ahwe ase kokwoso ball bo no tekele ntibi ne ebo wo ho. As teachers etoda ayana ye problem pa ba kono no ye ma mpata numne pa no bienu ne ye se chema 5,000. And so say the meaning raise, you know, maybe we can do something about the duration of BEC, but it's not just about the duration of the BEC. At the basic level, are we really teaching the children? Yeah, you see, trauma is teaching and learning going on in the classroom. Because I think about 2 or 3 years ago, UNESCO for UNICEF, or the report be by say, now there are so many children in school that are not learning. School no matter. So there's a difference between schooling and education. And no shame part the no nipa be school or my educator money kakrebi. And so that is it on that side.
All right.
Me started assembly with the Bank of Ghana commodity. Honestly, I have not paid attention to it.
So you've not paid attention to that's fine.
And I think say from Ghana, I won't pay attention to it.
I didn't try.
Or most of Obi and Kanokre.
Sir,
Prof. Obi and Kano Obi and Ghana.
But me the mechanical.
Mechanic Obi in statistical terms 100%. But kes fa kes na.
Yan Kanokre.
Free asof also. Prof,
asofo Kanokre.
Okay. See,
cause asofo binum.
Oh, Prof. Me can be no more. I say 50-50. Me kafa kesiye. See, me a Christian ni mapa. Evangelical Church of Ghana. I me yase me admit on air. I'm very disappointed.
So Ghana have no
Prof. MPP was so. Yo asofo a omokasa. Na NDC ba wa asofo omokasa. MPP ya boni I was said the asofo no bi kano. And NDC ya boni I was said the asofo ni bi kano. Yenim ye ka ye fancy o. Prof,
yes.
From Monday. Me da na me ni atebe 12. Me dua na masen Adam sinti or my and this I'm not even being dramatic about it. Yentina mayimu anas ye nja honkonko bra no baby foforo.
Sana ya.
It appear we are not ready to build a country. Yenye ya adwen say ye chechere o man no. Nia ye de beboa timamufo ni nchi.
Adie ni die na eye nyina so no.
Prof, Bank of Ghana dey ka.
Yeah.
Me science or SS.
All right.
Na me mass nye. Me kai say one time mass teacher chira de ohwemanim sa no pa me se me mpie. Nye say me kasa na say me ohwemanim ade o chire emmoa me. So he just walked me out. I've never done any course in economics. So when issues about the economy eba apa, and I'm those so-called experts.
Sure.
So-called. And my first disappointed as well for the next one, academics. I'm no more so-called neutrals ni expert. Obi anya expert to Kruma say.
Ima.
Obi anya expectant. Prof.
Sir.
Obi anya expert to Kruma. Ye na expectant. Ye hwehwe bibi.
Oh.
the expert, the amount from experts, no.
Experts, no.
Or they actually expectants. Or more baby. Every politician, so.
Oh, sir.
Oh yes.
What will be
Prof? Baby. So me, who was the Macasa say that?
Baby,
it's air time because you see, Obeka way and this is the position from economic perspective. This is how we do it. A few moments later,
nipa or the buy they were deal.
Prof, not just any Tony be biasa. So me honestly, me mass minimum economics, so the minimum demand and supply. If you take me beyond demand and supply, minimum your economics. So when issues come up, I mean, person me tie the economics not like. And now we be so bokai, and you know, we be so bokai. As a Dr. Bomiaka said, if the
fundamental
are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. After what Bina say exchange rate, you know, I said if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. It was true yesterday, and it is true today. But it is what logic?
What logic? I really like
video.
No, I guess a video.
I like to Papa, you didn't okay. Because
baby, I said this is what logic.
The principle is that if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. Exchange rate will expose you.
Yeah.
If it was any fundamentals, and that is what our experts are doing. Obi yesterday in a position which I would take as an expert. Because you know I'm into academia, so
sure.
Obi Kasa, even though Obeka so MPP, you so NDC, I don't have a problem as an academic because there's nothing like an objective truth.
Sure.
Even science is biased. Yet me year one research, yes, masturbation, the same research as masturbation. It depends on who is doing the research.
Sure.
So even science is not objective. But Obi Bekasa as a financial expert, na o create impression, na abaise samba. And I said, "Na by now, obe changes our principle now." And when I am not me, and I can see say recently a cost be brave. Uncle Kwesi Pratt dey be a mohun and will be there. And you get people defending. I think we should get to a point where me NDC shouldn't be the problem. Me MPP shouldn't be the problem. We should have people who work on principle. This is my principle. And there's one thing I like about
yeah.
Some about you asare. Obet me MPP ni but to make us we me party here. Even though they may not go hard, but they'll let you know openly say adi me party and I think Obi would see me be out from now. Let's sit down and say yeah, it's your mind. Me MPP. If you go elsewhere, Obet me I'm a Republican, but on this I'll vote against Republican. Recently, ABNC were US.
Yeah.
On a particular subject, about 43 or so Democrats voted for Republicans openly. We should be principled in this country. And no busa me pass at the back wa aya or mama ye bra. No, but you need principle. Fitia so for so the comal and for so called experts, so called journalists, no more neutrality. Prof. But going forward, I think say people should work based on principle. Say this is the principle I stand for. No opposition may can say. Mr. President said, "Never bana uyebia." Let's not forget what we said. But it do not hear the brofo. Say you only explaining your two statistics ni figure be. Chatona mi bisa say Ghana pardon na Ghana dia. What has Ghana done?
But unim say sometimes what we say young journalists, we are supposed to be the gate watchers. But some of us at the end of the day, we find ourselves succumbing to the authorities of our politicians.
Right, Prof.
That is the problem. We are supposed to watch over. Sometimes when I sit down and I look at interviews conducted on CNN, BBC, they make references to the past. What we have said before, they hold you to it. But said your kind or my ye womwe. Say ahochire ntino obi ampa be bia ode neti befa. Enti say uyansantwe ni na utigana. Ye besre. Mumanya and Century Jumano Pepe. Yanya the Pepe. But unfortunately for us, we live in this country. People aligned to political parties. People who are financiers of political parties now own radio stations, own TV stations, just to do government agenda, just to do opposition agenda. So if you're a journalist and you find yourself in such a media house, then also you have to dance to the rhythm. Me, where I sit, if you don't know me woman, that was a challenge I had. Because I said what you can create. But I wouldn't be an yeah. 2 months to elections, I was taken off air. Because ABOTCHIE asked the right questions. Whether MPP or NDC, I will ask you. Upang me discussing, I will ask you. Sir Anka and some trefuna kiebeyesa. I believe, say, Anka dear my best son. Because who himself can some way. What can be that? Now name interview now, but the doubt Daniel Anwa. I'll have to do a playback of the wakano at the actual. The journalist started yes, sir. Maybe say a man for best that I can occur.
Prof.
Yes.
You see, coincidentally, this semester, mature mass media and society.
Okay, that's fine.
And in some working like global media ownership,
sure,
and all that, and how I affected how I ends and trade man. Almost everywhere you go, sanity. Oko US, Fox, more alignment.
Good.
CNN, ABC, almost more alignment. But Osha, the difference between Bruni and Bibini is that Bruni or principle, Bibini ni principle.
Good.
Fundamentally.
Good.
Bruni Betiniaka to say, me a Republican, but on this, Mr. President, you are wrong. But Bibini dear, and only be a bro.
Baby, you. Say principle now no. It boils down to one thing. Journalists now one way comedy no. Journalists in this country, when market you be no more.
Both me away.
But that's all more kind of crap.
No, so you see, so say you can say near first can near him near giant community. And when him the ASFM
then I
the so-called upcoming social media influencers,
bloggers, you know,
any almost celebrities, you know. These are young guys, 20s, 30s, zero principle. Common kwa me person me bo be because it's a big platform. But because me trade media, so I'm always on the me. I have not seen as okay be a 1, 2, 3 be betting you film. People are defending things because your money 50,000 cedis. Hey, my main country, if a politician gives you 50,000 to go and defend something, only 5 million of that amount, or 5 billion of that amount.
Say that again.
Say politician man 50,000 to go and defend something. At the corner would defend and also on dimu 5 million, we dimu 5 billion.
Really?
Yes. Yeah, like start cannot create. Because see, me banana share X. Honorable friend say Hanabisu.
Yeah.
Or say government is winning the fight against Galamsey. Just go look at the comment section.
Wait. Many a year the Archbishop, Catholic Bishops Conference, Matthew, a year Gen Fie Casas here. I say government is not winning the fight.
Galamsey abua buying poto. Football nearby.
Galamsey wa
once you three commentators no.
Galamsey.
Oh yes. Oma boaba me for ntimi simu adabraka.
Sir, Galamsey no. Oh. Oma ba enti anke go sir, anke be say.
Oh, oma sha buy for ntimi adabraka.
Galamsey a sha buy be 4.
Prof, yet was it
last Galamsey 4, government 0. Oh, okay.
And see, this is not even a political opinion. It is the truth. Yenim amount for saying these areas first na Galamsey we na Galamsey. Yet mete 9 months for near the 20 almost no mabunko to be. And we want to tickle ourselves and laugh. Now you can say because me party wo abaimu because say the president near madamfo because minister we madamfo and so what? Even pastors. And for me that is where my shock comes from. because yet tell me was so mu Christo ni no at least ma you ma anya would there be no
from my boy
Prof. With all the other conversations we are going to have, from now on, let's be able to put ourselves in the position where this is my stance on this. This is my principle.
This is my principle.
And found say we a party A, and found say we a party B. Right is right and wrong is wrong.
But only say politicians wrong. Say only more radio so omonko.
Oh.
But only omu piefi dem ha na yedi nkomo na ehon na nkomo no papa no koso.
Tear that down.
And the objectivity ne dey.
Off air.
Off air.
Objectivity is off air.
But Benjamin Etisana.
Yeah, Prof. A choir ya faswa ye politics wo mamua.
Yeah.
To the extent say always be an party no on a personal position.
Sure.
As our position na party ni be taking no. As I say go down to the grassroots. Where you communicator you have to follow. Near party ni position na waka no. And no na will be found near bon the road. So I agree with you 100%. Nsem na waka na hani nyina ba kokure ni won mo a menene nyadwe.
Sure.
Menene yadwe woni nyina. But about you do you know say some of the media people your friends who can show crowd you don't need to do research.
Oh, sir.
Some of them you don't even have to waste your time and do research.
Some of
like see a beba ha. Na ya anya research ansa na ya ba. Na ye di bibi beba betum ni afo ye ho adi. E wa ha ye nya bi o. But some of the radio station ni TV station wo kwa anya research. You can cook figures na host ni to no hwe anim.
Really?
And no ni problem because ono host no to no onya research bia. He is zero wonim ne ye ka ho asem no. Se ne be ya wo be kwa mama hu say yima emre bi si on this particular matter. Yima can say and then this time you may can say so ya basa na where lies your honesty. Na chese wo no ye kan me enu bomu a wasem na wo kan say si ana onye no kwafo. And it will take a brave journalist our ye research our betimi amu hu se ne wo ye ne nye ansa na watimi aka kire wo enti always be ano such people no we communicator na wo konanimu a you prepare yourself before you go and meet that person.
But how dey ba hearing
I no make no because I know who kasam na no ochi anani abosa no type no check it enti one way you obewie no no agu animu ase. So always be ano making sure say wo ba asem na wo dey ba no why research enim ne wo ba beka ansa na wo ba behia but unianum bi wo hono a ukoni amount time no wo 10 minutes o what transkra no zi ni phone so some of them no girlfriends no mo chat.
Oh there you can say
okay omo chat man ni girlfriend
ni girlfriend
wo so ni phone e kura ne sa wo be ka se bia o check bibia o de be ba be kanta wo nsam na wo kan no wo be flow sa etu be wie no wo be say text message ene course na be ba no na atiefo na tie ye no na omumomu wasem na wo kan ye na enye no kre no na omo kire the right thing but sata no be do no ye fa course wi a wokọ enti say ya nyi no kra ma ye ho a ye be bresa because sometimes I don't know you're white, you're white, and you're black, black. You can't do anything about it. What I say, inflation, you buy, you know, say, see, I will catch them and say, many NDC ni. Yanko about inflation. Me catch us say political party or the inflation cause through power memoir since independent NDC. Metimi a check your mouse say 1971 95 almost they call 70.1%.
No correct.
And say see making and me the 1995 and they be yastic and there. Is it possible? Because you move sometimes Ghana Ghana population Ghana they say. But because of your person, you score political points, you know. So maybe the inflation are 54%. Now we be about 23. Now you still also catch them and say, me the inflation go 54. Then me go back. Now me go refer 70.1. It's a basana. Me defend me party, but when they defend your mind, who journalists no who necessary who defend your mind no ye me no who you should be neutral.
Sure.
Enti ne obeka wa ha no ebe ma many NDC ni no ye hu the right score wa ha ansa na move enti wo kire bi obi ba wo journalist na animo a ni position no he has to cross check no one said ni abochi beka no ene me de ni ye the same enye the same de ni abochi beka na ene sem
na me ensure mama nka say 21st clinic 21st Clinic. Benjamin Asari. 21st Clinic. Sciatica originator. Sciatica pacesetters. Sciatica commander. What's a day sciatica? The crown of Ghana Hakrame na maintained. Me did be say what would take and I won't take that. A day sciatica no. Me pa show. 21st Clinic at that Roma and I at sciatica no. And upon me sorry here. That's it. Bibi na misrim na ah now where the sciatica na. Me pa show. A day sciatica 21st Clinic. And one man who say ya de bi wo ho so osisi echi na na mutumpom na pio sirem na ba pio na ase se ko ban sa na ona ne ya uje hwenje kai say sciatica na hawo na 21st Clinic nkuto na ensa nhwehwemu hu say ya wo ya de bi ti sciatica and wapan wedro en ko be bia ko jedro bomodin na fa woni kire 21st Clinic na kwaje eye sciatica dro incline woman check when what Tantra Hill runabout tema woman Roman Catholic Church no asoda na chi wa I beg your pardon kaswa woman New Market obum kwan no so Kumasi ehwe overseas baby a SOMPA FM wo na sunyane woman regional hospital first gate ni dey hwe anymore woman Techman and Kransa takwa de woman afie kuma number 9 Texas station takwa woman baby a SOMPA FM wo low cost ho me pacho pomodin ye na for phone si na free 21st Clinic e was 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 21st Clinic the sciatica commander but we are meeting on this subject
Prof
yeah
uni ma de ba ko e high o man wem
denga
hypocrisy nyatwom you see His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wabo ejuma brutal but there was some of appointments bia yen comrades ni bi no ni enwinwi ho that has to do with journalist bia
me pacho etie for monfa nche me end che me bia lines na tum no mo afre wan okay that's fine
journalist ni bia ye mama appointment then we share comrade you say ah na we no kan ye ho and even proud to that you realize we hear some of the media stations are no mo bo MPP echi mo ni NDC for aye omo ba ye no omo reward nkrofo na mo fees omo ye pro NDC but the question is me that is why baby amekobia no most of meeting within young NDC in Bukra me do on mama say hey disciple I carry one principle. If I am for you, I go all out.
Se nipa no kra boni kra na obe support no.
No, enye si nipa no ye boni o.
Ka sem bia enye no kra obe defend.
No.
Disciple.
Na me pa kire ne say, there are few people time may constitute disciples of Asedingeti, right? I make a chomusu. This is the agenda. So Charlie, right now, dear Charlie, I don't know dangerous. So I shall be better. Gonna so politics is this. You can never be neutral, and you can't sit on the fence. Now make a lot. I say, make sure be so me mooding. Me do one no my own. To see the way ye kasa o my time no be a China adwen. Me can no man me bantan and be and say, this year we are hosts and now we are panelists.
Because our training as journalists, you know, so we engage you, yeah, you come in, you obey 25% of the stake. Exactly. The panel was 75%.
To see the way I kasa, no one be move 1, 2, no. Oh no, I say, me ne ben enya rebata. So it got to a point I felt uncomfortable. When I say, this is an MPP communicator. But I say, who ye ne juma de amano. I am not saying say don't belong to a political party, but they have their representative on the show. But I say who about 5 for no too much. Who bet me about 5? They say Ben can you know. There are some of the shows are all qua. Nana who here so by research. To me kokeka sa sir. So when we get to that point, the national interest now conflict with the political interest. So a situation whereby you cannot separate the national interest from a political interest now, it becomes very dangerous. Say some about to me ba will show so when Miss Amede or your NDC ni into agenda now or de ba no e NDC. Ba wo betina consul nechi ahun. You are to champion the agenda for the national.
By asking the relevant questions.
Exactly. What can I say? The last time I met Hanum, I make about Abujinapo issue. No, I make her say, "Send me try. You will expose me here." I didn't think about so research because we know whom we are coming to meet, and you are not asking for a political party. You ask for the nation. It's a situation whereby you get journalists who are doing political work instead of the national work. On a danger neighbor.
Made us see from.
Wait.
Mammy Fakos, Ben, who's my first landing? I don't know, Mama first landing. Who number first landing? Mama first landing. Mama first landing. Hello, good evening. Yeah, me pacho na me kase.
Collins you.
Yeah, you. All right, Collins, wait you right.
Lebra Benjamin. I'll free MPP. Wa mama fiasin papa. Na hello the better channel because Lebra no. Na nchia mi NDC no. And I feel former benefit party executive Ganoff benefit party Honorable Timosechi. Fantastic gentleman. Milia, now Benjamin, can be say, do so, no, maintain, you know, but only again, drawn attention complete. But you know what you need. My fat baby, Benjamin, and some neighbors is here. The number is so or yes, me. Of the power, it is silent here. It is no doubt. It's your character for Mamma Bubum.
Medasi. Hello, good evening. Hey. Now, me pacho one minute kase wadaroma. Yes.
Elliot.
Oh, Elliot, big busy. All right, mind you. And you should any time internet you monitor.
All right. From next week, and then the light of the day after my way.
Yeah.
Yes, like you mentioned also. So, we have been open super power. I think for Tagada, I get Juba. We all succeed because. That is the mama in the office in a lot of that. But last year, a lot of that. But over so many campaign, it's not allowed people a power. Because of the himself, Mahama, oh yeah, Juma, work as a journalist, get assistant, your petrol, your TV. Master, what
May I say, Mammy call away. Hello, good evening.
Honorable Prof. Bakupe.
Me so at the same.
Me media chair, me did this also here. Right from Abusoka.
Hey, bright, let's say, me don't catch it.
Yes, say online, it's more a month for you, pal. You'll be a line is you see, I also know who did the coil. Yeah, calling them.
Yeah.
No
fancy me.
Sometimes put me for 3 course now.
Oh, I am me you. And you me. I am me.
Now who's washing?
Mate, my hemo power. My shamo. Anti Casam no a Brenoko.
Chair, once a minute, Collins Bekan, MPP for Mopa Bemaba. And the Omobekan is there. Dum so. Omunya Cranka, machines no come to me na atu na omu di subo abo SRC John Dramani mama ba onim bibi de nyankopon ahira no won na wo hira no de ombe ye bia no life no ejina so pampen bibi ani ho omu kopa di fufro na omu kan wansem ana koko na ya ma amafo ka se omu to koko wo Ghana ha na omu akoshi obi mu akire a omu ko Africa se koto koko wo onum no omu ko so anye sa na Ghana fo ani ebie enti se first na oye propaganda na amafo edi akire sa debi oye nyani ebie enti enye de MPP fo ebe kan na nsei nyama papa SRC John Dramani Mahama eno na Ghana for the best so estabi akoto aba 2028 na MPP there enya dia mo beba ba mu
yeah beda wase let me talk to this caller. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Professor.
Yeah, me pacho wana venene kasi Adama.
Frank Nero ni David.
Okay, Frank Nero Adama pacho mainti why.
Yo, I believe my mom about the market idea. Papa.
Wow.
It's good to bring them in the pro from Papa.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, me da basi. Yo, me dasi.
Mama said it's now. And yet, and report that you say, keep funny air to Ghana. Hey, I bet there to the phone. William, so die every sport. For I go to people like, and then look at the room. Saturday, almost 5 days, the man, like, and then this
yeah.